Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super fun and personal: how to choose the perfect clothing colors based on your personality. Whether you're bold and outgoing, calm and introspective, or somewhere in between, the colors you wear can say a lot about you and even boost your confidence. So, let's figure out which shades suit your vibe best. Did you know that colors can influence how others perceive you and even how you feel about yourself? For example, wearing red can make you feel more powerful, while blue can help you appear more trustworthy. But beyond that, the colors you choose can reflect your personality and help you express yourself authentically. Let's break it down by personality types. I'll describe a few common traits, and you can see which one resonates with you. Then, I'll share the best colors to match your energy. If you're someone who loves being the center of attention, isn't afraid to take risks, and has a larger-than-life personality, you're probably bold and confident. For you, go for colors that match your energy. Think bright red, electric blue, vivid yellow, or hot pink. These shades scream confidence and will help you stand out in any crowd. Are you the type who's calm, collected, and loves a chill vibe? If you're all about peace and balance, softer, more muted tones are your go-to. Try pastel blues, soft greens, lavender, or neutral beige. These colors reflect your relaxed nature and create a soothing aura around you. Creative souls, this one's for you. If you're always thinking outside the box and love expressing yourself in unique ways, your wardrobe should be just as imaginative. Play with bold patterns, unexpected color combinations, and shades like emerald green, deep purple, or mustard yellow. Don't be afraid to mix and match, your creativity will shine through. If you're all about timeless elegance and love a polished look, your personality shines in classic, refined colors. Stick to black, white, navy blue, burgundy, or charcoal gray. These shades exude sophistication and never go out of style. Are you the person everyone loves to be around? If you're warm, approachable, and always spreading positivity, your colors should reflect that. Go for warm tones like coral, soft orange, sunny yellow, or earthy browns. These shades radiate friendliness and make you even more inviting. Now that you've got an idea of which colors suit your personality, here are a few quick tips to keep in mind when building your wardrobe. Consider your skin tone. Some colors complement your natural undertones better than others. Experiment to see what makes you glow. Think about the occasion. While personality is key, also consider the context. A bold red might be perfect for a night out, but not for a job interview. Trust your instincts. If a color makes you feel amazing, wear it. Confidence is the best accessory. So, which personality type are you? Let me know in the comments below, and tell me your favorite color to wear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.